Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and removing batteries. This prevents shorts and preserves components. Once done, lay out tools, Phillips, flat spudger, tweezers, cloth so you don't hunt mid-repair. You should also photograph the initial layout and battery orientation because this visual record speeds reassembly. Then use the flat tool to separate seams gently. Take your time so clips don't snap. By opening carefully, you protect fragile PCB traces and the LED diffuser from damage. You now diagnose the light stick. Visually scan for corrosion, lifted traces, or burnt parts. These are common failure points. Then measure continuity across the switch and LED using a multimeter. If the LED fails to light, bench test with a 3V source to separate battery from LED issues. Next, reflow any dull, grainy solder joints with a fine-tip iron. Replace a sticky switch or a blown LED module when readings stay out of spec. This targeted approach avoids unnecessary part swaps. You finish by cleaning battery and contact points with 90% plus isopropyl to restore conductivity. Make sure contacts are dry before reinstalling batteries and observing polarity. Once done, reseat the diffuser and any rubber seals, then tighten screws evenly so the housing sits flat without stress. Finally, power on and cycle all modes. Run the stick for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm stable operation. If flicker or heat appears, stop and recheck solder joints and contact pressure. Intermittent faults often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.